Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all about gestures on your headphones RHA True Connect. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your left or right earbud. So I'm pressing one time. Maybe again. Yeah, it started working. And if I press one time again, I will pause the song. Cool. Now, if I press two times on my right earbud, I will increase the volume. And again. Here we go. If I press three times, I will lower the volume. Here we go. Now, if I press two times on my left earbud, I will play next song. Here we go. And if I press three times, I will play previous song. And again. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!